So yesterday I get a message in the Discord that the Real Brokerage, that's the name of the company, was buying out Remax. Now, I used to be in real estate, so I knew who Remax was. I didn't know who the Real Brokerage is. My research came and told me that Remax, being the traditional franchise type organization, had about 145,000 agents, and the Real Brokerage, which was more of a individually owned organization with 33,000 agents, but yet Remax has a market cap of 325 million, and the Real Brokerage is 428 million. I went further and I found that in revenues, Remax did 291 million, but the Real Brokerage did 1.96 billion. So it was something in the neighborhood of 6 times the size of a Remax. And what I came to realize was Remax was founded in 1973, so it's a conventional real estate broker, whereas the Real Brokerage was founded in 2014, and it takes in all the aspects involved in a real estate transaction. Not only the buying and selling by an agent of the house, but also the financing, the title work, every aspect. And so they are much more profitable, or actually they don't make a profit, but they're much more efficient and have many more avenues of revenue as they are growing. And when I found out was they have interjected AI into their system so that 46% of all interactions between agents and management and buyers and sellers and agents is done with AI. And that's how they become so much more efficient. So what I then did, is what I always do, is I gave it to Samantha. Samantha's my AI agent. I built her about a year and a half ago, and I basically turned the management of my portfolio over to her a year ago, the 1st of May. So I asked her, what's the potential here? Because what my tribe member had informed me was when this announcement was made, the Real Brokerage stock dropped 20% at that time. So I went in and took a pretty large position at $1.95. It's now up today to $2.25. So I've already made 15% on my money, because what I realized was the market didn't understand this transaction. And I didn't understand the transaction until I turned it over to Samantha, and it took her about 36 minutes to analyze the whole thing and then come back to me and tell me, okay, it's at $1.95 today. By the first of the year, it will be at $2.80, which will give you about a 23% growth in your the stock price. By the January of 2028, she projects it'll be $3.70. That'll give me a 66% growth in my investment. And by January of 2029, it'll be $4.80, and that'll amount to 115. That's in the base case, if everything kind of goes the way they want. But the aggressive case, she's saying it could be as high as $6.50, in which case I would have a 191% gain. Again, I knew nothing about this until early yesterday morning. gave it to Samantha. Samantha gave it back to me in about 30 minutes. I then went in and bought. I then, as I was buying, I shared the information that Samantha gave me, that she had put it into a podcast that is about a 15-minute explanation between she and Bart, explaining exactly what this transaction's about and what the projected results were going to be based on the numbers that are available through their earnings statements, their balance sheets, all the financials that are available. And I want you, because this is the new way to invest. When you see something, you have an analyst that you can give it to. They analyze it in about 30 minutes, and you can make a timely decision, as I did. As I say, I'm up already 15% in one day. And I want you to hear that podcast. So I'm putting a link in the description directly to the podcast. It's free. It's part of what I give to my tribe members on a daily basis. They basically, like this one did, said, look at this, Kerry. This could be an opportunity. And I think it is. I believe it was. And Samantha basically confirmed it enough for me to understand why this was happening and what the ramifications were, and break the numbers down so that I had an understanding of what I was buying, why I was buying it, and what it is it's the delivery of AI. We know, or at least I know, AI is going to change every aspect of our lives. It just changed real estate. Go into the description, listen to the podcast, and then come back to this video and give me your comments in the video of what you think the advantages are in this new way to invest. Thanks.